हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम डिस्कस करें मेथड फॉर फाइंडिंग आर्ग्यूमेंट। ओके, तो आर्ग्यूमेंट कैसे फाइंड करते हैं दैट वी आर डिस्कसिंग इन दिस लेक्चर। तो इसके लिए सबसे पहले हम जानते हैं व्हाट इज प्रिंसिपल आर्ग्यूमेंट। ओके, तो प्रिंसिपल आर्ग्यूमेंट क्या होता है? प्रिंसिपल आर्ग्यूमेंट इट इज argument value between minus pi to pi. Pi is what? Close. Minus pi is what? Open. Okay, principal argument is what? It is argument value between minus pi to pi. Okay, because at minus pi and pi we'll get what? Negative real axis. Okay, so for negative real axis argument will what? Minus pi also and pi also. Okay, so here pi is what included, minus pi is what not included. Okay, तो सबसे पहले हम फाइंड करते हैं प्रिंसिपल आर्ग्यूमेंट। ओके, एंड आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ ए कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ z is nothing but what? Principal argument plus 2n pi where n belongs to what? Integer. ओके, तो हमें कोई भी आर्ग्यूमेंट फाइंड करना है उससे पहले हमें क्या फाइंड करें? प्रिंसिपल आर्ग्यूमेंट। ओके, एंड प्रिंसिपल आर्ग्यूमेंट क्या होता है? इट इज आर्ग्यूमेंट वैल्यू बिटवीन माइनस पाई टू पाई। ओके, तो सबसे पहले डिस्कस करते हैं हम प्रिंसिपल आर्ग्यूमेंट कैसे फाइंड करते हैं। ओके, तो हमारे पास कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है z इक्वल टू अल्फा प्लस आइटा बीटा वेयर अल्फा कॉमा बीटा बिलोंग्स टू रियल नंबर्स एंड आइटा इक्वल टू व्हाट? रूट और -1। हमें इसका प्रिंसिपल आर्ग्यूमेंट फाइंड करना। ओके, एंड फॉर फाइंडिंग जनरल आर्ग्यूमेंट व्हाट यू विल डू? इन प्रिंसिपल आर्ग्यूमेंट वी विल ऐड 2n पाई दैट इज इक्वल टू जनरल आर्ग्यूमेंट। ओके, तो हमें इसका प्रिंसिपल आर्ग्यूमेंट फाइंड करना है। तो सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे हम इसका क्वाड्रेंट फाइंड करेंगे। ओके, सो z लाइज इन विच क्वाड्रेंट दैट वी विल फाइंड आउट हियर। अल्फा इज व्हाट? रियल पार्ट ऑफ z and beta is what? Imaginary part of z. Okay, for finding quadrant we have to check alpha and beta. If alpha is greater than 0 and beta is greater than 0, then z lies in first quadrant. Z lies in first quadrant. If alpha is less than 0 and beta is greater than 0, then z lies in second quadrant. If alpha is less than 0 and beta is less than 0, then z lies in third quadrant. If alpha is greater than 0 and beta is less than 0, then z lies in fourth quadrant. Okay, तो सबसे पहले हम फाइंड करेंगे क्वाड्रेंट ऑफ z. So first we are discussing if z belongs to first quadrant, that means alpha is greater than 0 and beta is greater than 0. So we have to find out principal argument. Okay, so for principal argument we should check range should be what? Minus pi to pi. Minus pi is what? Open, pi is what? Close. Okay, now z lie in first quadrant. So सबसे पहले क्या करें? हम कॉम्प्लेक्स प्लेन ड्रॉ करेंगे. This one is origin, this one is what? Positive real axis, and this one is what? Imaginary axis, and z will come in first quadrant. So this point is what? Z equal to alpha comma beta. Okay, this we are taking as point P. ओके, तो सबसे पहले क्या करें? हम ओरिजिन को पॉइंट z से ज्वाइन करेंगे। ओके, एंड डायरेक्शन इज टुवर्ड्स z. सो दिस लाइन सेगमेंट इट विल मेक सपोज थीटा एंगल विथ पॉजिटिव रियल एक्सिस एंड अदर एंगल इज व्हाट? दिस वन. दिस इज 2 pi minus theta. Okay, so for principal argument either it will be theta or it will be like that. Okay, so here this is what? Positive real axis. Now we are going in this side, so this direction is what? Anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so argument of z we can say theta, or from positive real axis if you go in this direction what? Clockwise direction, and this angle is what? 2 pi minus theta. So argument of z we can say that because we are going in which direction? In clockwise direction, so this angle we have to multiply with that minus. So what will come? Minus of 2 pi minus theta. Okay, so there are two possibilities. In these two, one of them is what? Principal argument, other is not principal argument. Okay, so we have to find out what is principal argument. Okay, so we have to find out in these two angles which one lies in this interval, that is your principal argument. Okay, so इसके लिए क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले हम थीटा फाइंड करेंगे. So for finding theta, what you will do? From point P, we are drawing perpendicular on real axis, positive real axis. Okay, so this will come perpendicular. Now this length is what? Beta. So we are taking modulus beta because distance is always positive. So we are taking modulus, and this distance is what? Modulus of alpha. So from here we can say that tan theta equal to modulus of beta divided by modulus of alpha. So theta equal to what will come? Tan inverse modulus of beta divided by modulus of alpha. This will come. Okay, then from here we can say that theta will come greater than 0 and less than pi by 2. Okay, theta will come in first quadrant. Okay, so we can say that theta is what? In first quadrant, and this is also theta. So this will come in first quadrant. Okay, that means this will come in this interval. So we can say that this is your principal argument. Okay, so this is equal to tan inverse modulus of beta divided by modulus of alpha. Okay, and this is called principal argument of Z. This will not be principal argument because this angle is what? Minus of 2 pi minus theta. Okay, so we have to find out minus of 2 pi minus theta. So what you will do here? Here what you are doing? Minus 2 pi plus theta. Okay, so the theta is what? This one. In this side we will add minus 2 pi. Okay, so what you will do? Minus 2 pi is less than minus 2 pi plus theta is less than minus 2 pi plus pi by 2. So from here what will come? Minus 2 pi is less than minus 2 pi plus theta is less than, if you simplify this one, so what will come here? Minus 3 pi by 2. You can see here, this will not come in this range. This will not come in this range. That means this is not your principal argument. Okay, so if Z lies in first quadrant, then principal argument is what? Theta. And theta is what? Tan inverse modulus of beta divided by modulus of alpha. That is your principal argument. Okay, and for finding general argument, what you will do? In principal argument, we will add 2n pi.